Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to NIEBS Mahmudur. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Basic School. Today I am going to take an English first paper class for the students of class 6. I hope that all of you have got this English portfolio textbook of class 6 or NCTP, and all of you have collected from your school. Those who have not yet collected this book, you can collect from your school. So our today's topic is class 6 subject English first paper. Our today's topic Unit 1 lesson 1 reading done. This is your lecture number 1. That means this is your first lecture on English first paper. Term annual half yearly. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman. This is my mobile number 01735 852 and this is my messenger ID Mahmudur Rahman. So, the students, today we will discuss on the first unit and first lesson of your textbook. Let's start our discussion. Going to a new school. The first lesson of your textbook is going to a new school. In this lesson, the experience of going to a new school is described. Read the following passage about Tarun's first day in the new school. Tarun is a new school boy. He is going to a new school and his experience is described here. My first day at the new school was interesting. I was going to school with my father in a rickshaw. We reached school after 15 minutes. My father said goodbye and left me at the school gate. I went in and found that everyone had gone to class. I walked into my classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted us. I found the students very friendly in my new class. So, this is the experience of Tarun when he approached in a new school. The students, you will also write down in your exercise copy about your experience in a new class or in a new school. Okay. Now, turn the page number 3. There is a table. There are two columns, column A and B, and there are some words, 5 words in the left column and 5 words in the right column. You have to match these words with each other. They are similar in meaning. So the first word is interesting, then frightened, happy, excited, worldly. And the right table, the words are lovingly, amusing, afraid, glad, and thrilled. So interesting, the similar word of interesting is amusing. I have done the solution for you here. Frightened, the similar word for frightened is afraid. The similar word for happy is glad. The similar word excited is thrilled, and the last one, worldly, means loving. So you have noticed here how I have matched the column A and column B in this table. You will try at your home. When you get the book, you will try yourself. Okay. So I hope that you have understood today's first lesson and first lecture very well. If you have any question or more inquiries, you can contact me on my phone number and my messenger ID. Here I am telling you again, Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, mobile number 0735 852 and this is my messenger Mahmudur Rahman. So dear students, for your better understanding, read the textbook again and again, attend the YouTube class and your online classes regularly. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.